So the regular water is working fine, and the water from for the other side also is working fine, and the water from here also is okay. It's supposed to give sprinkles, but it's giving a full flow, but that's fine. So this is the glass one. So the glass one is not giving any water. The plumber opened the lines, water lines below, and checked and then said that there is no water coming into the lines, and he was asked to fix it, but he said he doesn't know how to fix it, and and he just left. He left yeah, day before yesterday, and he did not show up, and he's saying you guys are not paying. I don't know what is happening, but he is not very cooperative, and also he doesn't know how to uh, mm, fix things particular to this one. He knows general things, I think, but not where he can fix this or some inner workings of this.